First, open Start and type CMD. Right click and run as administrator. Type sc delete vgc. Second, type sc delete vgk. Third, type exit. Then you need to see delete service success. Second also success. Then lastly you need to type exit and press enter. Then press start. Now open your folder and go to C drive. Go to your program file and then find your folder Reinstall Vanguard. Click and delete. And then you need to empty the recycle bin. And then you need to go to your icon Valorant, click, and then you need to select run as administrator. After done the installation progress, please press start to finish the progress. If that didn't work, go to your task manager by press Ctrl Alt and delete and come to this, select your icon Riot client and you need to end all the tasks. Select and press this end task. Close your task manager, go to your search box and type run. Open run, type service.msc and enter. And then locate the VGC service, right click, go to properties, startup type from manual change to automatic, press apply and OK. Now close your service. After done, VGC start the service. Now close your task manager and you are ready to go.